we'll show you how to prepare your Clover dashboard before installing foodKonnekt. First, you need to log into Clover. Select the restaurant and go to Account and Setup in the left-hand menu. In the About Your Business section, go to Business Information. Ensure that you have selected the correct time zone. Also, check that the business hours for the particular restaurant are accurate. Once you have made changes or updated information, remember to click on Save. The next thing that you need to check is taxes. In the Business Operations section, go to Taxes and Fees. Here, enter the tax rate and make sure that it is mapped to all items. The other thing that you need to check is order receipts. Here, make sure that the following check boxes are selected: order notes, alternate inventory names, group line items, and show customer information. And click on Save. The most important ones here are order notes, customer information, and group line items. The rest of the options depend upon the client requirement. Once you have made these changes, click on Save. Next, go to Payment Receipts. Here, you need to make sure that the following checkboxes are selected: automatically print customer receipt after each order, group items by guest, cashier name, line items, customer information, and then click on Save. Now, your client is ready for installation of foodKonnekt.